Introduction. Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in England. England is a land steeped in rich history, where ancient castles stand proudly alongside modern cities, and picturesque countryside meets vibrant urban life. From the cobbled streets of historic towns to the bustling markets of contemporary cities, England offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most iconic landmarks, such as the majestic Tower of London and the stunning Stonehenge, while also uncovering hidden gems that often go unnoticed. Imagine wandering through the charming villages of the Cotswolds, where time seems to stand still, or exploring the breathtaking landscapes of the Lake District, a haven for nature lovers. Whether you're a history buff eager to delve into England's storied past or an adventurer looking for unique experiences, this video is designed to inspire your next trip. We'll share fascinating facts and insider tips that will not only enhance your travel plans but also ignite your curiosity about this remarkable country. So, grab your passport and get ready to discover the best places to visit in England, where every corner has a story waiting to be told. London. The vibrant capital. When it comes to must-see attractions, London is a treasure trove of historical sites and modern marvels that captivate millions of visitors each year. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Tower of London, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood for over 1,000 years. Here, you can explore the crown jewels and learn about the fascinating history of this former royal palace and prison. Just a short stroll away, Buckingham Palace offers a glimpse into royal life, where you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony and soak in the grandeur of the official residence of the British monarch. But London is not just about its historical significance, it's also a hub of cultural experiences. The city boasts world-class museums like the British Museum and the Tate Modern, where art and history come alive. For theatre enthusiasts, the West End is a must-visit, showcasing everything from classic plays to contemporary musicals that will leave you spellbound. To truly experience the essence of London, don't forget to explore its diverse neighborhoods. From the vibrant markets of Camden to the charming streets of Notting Hill, each area offers unique experiences, local cuisine, and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're wandering through historic sites or immersing yourself in the local culture, London promises an unforgettable adventure that caters to every interest. The enchanting Cotswolds. Nestled in the heart of England, the Cotswolds is a region renowned for its picturesque villages and stunning countryside that seem to have been plucked straight from a storybook. Among its charming towns, Bourton-on-the-Water stands out with its idyllic riverside setting, quaint stone bridges, and delightful tea shops. Known as the Venice of the Cotswolds, this village invites visitors to stroll along the tranquil riverbanks and explore its unique attractions, such as the Model Village and the Cotswold Motoring Museum. Just a short drive away, Stow-on-the-Wold offers a different charm with its historic market square, antique shops, and cozy pubs, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploration. The Cotswolds is not just about charming villages, it also boasts breathtaking natural beauty that beckons outdoor enthusiasts. With miles of scenic hiking trails and cycling routes, you can immerse yourself in the rolling hills and lush landscapes that define this region. The Cotswold Way, a long-distance walking trail, offers stunning views and a chance to connect with nature while discovering hidden gems along the way. Rich in history, the Cotswolds is dotted with ancient stone churches, historic manor houses, and remnants of its wool trade past. This blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes the Cotswolds a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the enchanting side of England. So pack your bags and get ready to explore this captivating region. Historic Bath. Welcome to Bath, a city that beautifully marries ancient history with stunning Georgian architecture. At the heart of Bath lies the iconic Roman Baths, a remarkable archaeological site that dates back to Roman times. Here, you can explore the well-preserved ruins and learn about the significance of the thermal springs that attracted visitors for centuries. The Great Bath, with its striking green waters, is a highlight, offering a glimpse into the luxurious bathing culture of the Romans. Just a stone's throw away, Bath Abbey stands as a magnificent example of Gothic architecture, inviting visitors to admire its intricate stained glass windows and soaring ceilings. Bath is also renowned for its spa culture, making it a perfect destination for wellness enthusiasts. The Thermi Bath Spa allows you to indulge in the natural thermal waters while enjoying panoramic views of the city from its rooftop pool. This blend of relaxation and history creates a unique experience that rejuvenates both body and mind. Beyond its historical significance, Bath boasts a vibrant arts scene that captivates locals and visitors alike. From the annual Bath Festival to the numerous galleries and theaters, there's always something happening. Don't forget to savor the local cuisine, with a variety of restaurants and cafes offering everything from traditional British fare to innovative dishes. So, whether you're soaking in the Roman baths or enjoying a meal in a cozy bistro, Bath promises an unforgettable journey through time and culture. The majestic Lake District. Welcome to the Lake District, a stunning region in northwest England known for its breathtaking landscapes and endless outdoor adventures. With its majestic mountains, serene lakes, and lush valleys, the Lake District is a paradise for nature lovers and thrill-seekers alike. Popular activities here include hiking along the numerous trails that wind through the hills, offering panoramic views that will leave you in awe. Whether you're tackling the heights of Scafell Pike, England's highest peak, or enjoying a leisurely stroll around the picturesque shores of Windermere, there's a trail for everyone. Boating is another fantastic way to experience the beauty of the Lake District. Rent a rowboat or take a scenic cruise on Derwentwater, where you can soak in the tranquil surroundings and perhaps spot some local wildlife, including red squirrels and a variety of bird species. The region is a haven for wildlife watching, making it a perfect destination for those who appreciate the great outdoors. The Lake District is also steeped in literary history, famously associated with beloved authors like Beatrix Potter and William Wordsworth. Potter's charming tales of animals and nature were inspired by the very landscapes you'll explore, while Wordsworth's poetry reflects the beauty of the area. So, as you embark on your adventures in the Lake District, take a moment to appreciate not just the stunning scenery, but also the rich literary connections that make this region truly special. Historic York. Welcome to York, a city that effortlessly blends medieval charm with a rich tapestry of history. One of the most iconic landmarks in York is the magnificent York Minster, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Northern Europe. Its stunning stained glass windows and intricate architecture make it a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. Just a short walk away, you'll find the Shambles, a narrow, cobbled street lined with timber-framed buildings that date back to the 14th century. This picturesque area is perfect for wandering, with quaint shops and cozy cafes inviting you to take a break and soak in the atmosphere. York's history is also deeply intertwined with its Viking heritage, and you can delve into this fascinating past at the Jorvik Viking Center. Here, interactive exhibits and immersive experiences bring the Viking era to life, allowing you to walk through a reconstructed Viking settlement and learn about their daily lives. Throughout the year, York hosts a variety of local festivals and events that celebrate its vibrant culture. From the York Food and Drink Festival to the enchanting York Christmas Market, there's always something happening that showcases the city's unique character. So, whether you're exploring historic sites, indulging in local delicacies, or participating in lively events, York promises an unforgettable journey through time that will leave you enchanted by its medieval charm and rich history. The coastal beauty of Cornwall. Welcome to Cornwall, a region celebrated for its stunning beaches and charming towns that capture the essence of coastal beauty. Among its popular destinations, St. Ives stands out with its picturesque harbor, golden sands, and vibrant art scene. This quaint town is home to numerous galleries, including the renowned Tate St. Ives, where you can immerse yourself in contemporary art while enjoying breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Just a short drive away, Padstow offers a delightful mix of fishing heritage and culinary excellence. Known for its seafood restaurants, including the famous Rick Stein's, Padstow is a food lover's paradise. Cornwall's coastline is not just about scenic views, it's also an outdoor enthusiast's dream. The region is famous for its surfing spots, with Fistral Beach in Newquay being a hotspot for both beginners and seasoned surfers. If you prefer to stay on land, the Southwest Coast Path offers stunning coastal walks that reveal dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and breathtaking vistas at every turn. Cornwall's unique culture is reflected in its rich traditions, from Cornish pasties to cream teas, making it a culinary delight for visitors. The region also celebrates its heritage through various festivals, showcasing local music, arts, and crafts. So, whether you're lounging on the beach, savoring delicious food, or exploring charming towns, Cornwall promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural beauty and cultural richness. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in England, it's clear that this remarkable country offers a diverse array of attractions that cater to every type of traveler. From the vibrant streets of London, where history meets modernity, to the enchanting Cotswolds with its picturesque villages, each destination has its own unique charm. We've explored the historic beauty of Bath, the breathtaking landscapes of the Lake District, and the medieval allure of York, showcasing how England seamlessly blends its rich heritage with stunning natural scenery. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors, indulging in local cuisine, or immersing yourself in cultural experiences, England has something for everyone. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations for a truly memorable experience that will leave you with lasting memories. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights into the best places to visit around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next video as we explore even more amazing destinations.